Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I composite my CGI shots in After Effects, and I will also test the tool that AeJuice gave me access to for their Black Friday event. So I always start with basic compositing tools in After Effects like exposure, curves, a little color balance, bloom, the usual cleanup. But since AeJuice gave me access to their bundle for Black Friday, I figured I would try it in this shot and show you guys how it fits into my workflow. It's not a sponsorship. If someone buys through my link, I get something from it, so only check it out if you actually find it useful. Okay, so here's the shot that I'm going to working on. I'm going to be using it on that shot, and once you download the tool, once you install the tool from the link down below, you can then use it. Just simply install the tool, and then you will find it right here. If you go into Window, right here you will see AeJuice Pick Manager. If you click it, you will find a bunch of stuff, like like crazy amount of stuff in this tool. It's just like if you're a VFX artist and you're looking for something good, here is the thing. Like for example, you get the blood pack. You will see a bunch of blood effects in there. You get transition here, you get motion design, sound effects, you get lens flare, you get other hundreds and thousands of tools with this pick, okay? But since I'm using it for this shot, I'm gonna be using some specific stuff from the back. I'm gonna go for LUTs first, and I have a bunch of LUTs in here. I got horror LUTs, I got sci-fi LUTs, I got color grading, I got a bunch of them, and it can help you in a specific situation. But for my case, I'm gonna be going with a sci-fi LUTs. Now, what's special about the sci-fi LUTs is that it has all the movies look. I mean, if you want to have a specific look from your favorite movies, for example Avatar or Arrival, you can just drag and drop it in here and your shot will get the same look. For example, I have Avatar here, Avatar log, okay? You can use it, you can get the same look from it. You get the Blade Runner effects. I like the Blade Runner, so I'm gonna click it and I'm gonna click import. Now what it does, it actually tries to import it, and that's it. You don't have to be colorist to color your shot. You just need AeJuice for this purpose. And as you can see, our shot is color graded. If I turn this off from here, you will see a great difference. Now you don't need to figure out things. You just need to drag and drop it from AeJuice pick, and that's it. That's the whole point of it. And now it's not ins here, it's the color. Like you get a bunch of them, like different type of color LUTs. I'm going to use it for some other stuff. Like there are transitions in here, there are titles in here, so things are crazy, and I'm really excited about it. So that's why I'm a bit faster here. But I'm gonna be using some other stuff as well. And the other thing I'm gonna be using is the film texture. And if I search for film texture, you will see a bunch of presets, but I'm gonna go for these one. And now what do we have here is some sort of film grain, right? We get to see a film grain effects. Now there are different types of it. You can go with those preset here if you like it, but I'm gonna go with the film grain effect, which I really like. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna choose this one. Yeah, right here. I'm gonna click import. Now it's going to import the film grain effect, and voila, it's gonna work. And right here, as you can see, it imported the film grain effect, and as you can see, it's right here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click it, click this drop down, click this one, and I want to decrease the opacity of the film grain because it's a bit too much. So I get a little bit of film grain effect right here, and as you can see, we get grains effect here. Right now, it's time to use some other effects as well. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off. So I'm gonna use a film noise maybe. Right here you will find a bunch of film noises that can really help you bring the look that you want. I think I'm gonna go with this one, the first one, noise 01, and it's going to download it. And now it's about to import it, and it's imported. Now if you look into the video right here, and as you can see, the noise has been added right here. If you look into it, it just adds the interesting look into it. This line right here, it just adds some interesting looks into it. Now you can use other light lick as well. So I'm gonna search for light lick. Oh, you have to turn this off and search here. light lick, and you will find it here. Now there are a bunch of light licks that you can use. I might go with, I don't know which one will be better for this shot. I think this one is good. So I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna import it. Now it's going to import the light lick into my shot, and it's going to make it interesting. You know, right here it's being imported, and now it's done. As you can see. Now, if it is too much, you just need to click the drop down, click it, and then decrease the opacity to not go with a very extreme level of a look, you know, looking much better, you know. Yeah, and you can also search for music as well if you want. There are music in it, as well there are sound effects in it. If you want to use it, you can also use those. And if you search for music, you'll also find some music in it. And now there are a bunch of different albums. So if you click it, you'll be able to hear those music. I'm gonna go with the first one is good. Let's just import it, and now we have music in it. So it's very useful tool. You can check it out. Extremely useful because you get everything in it. Everything inside this pack. You know, you get music, you get sound effects, you get light licks, you get noises, you get lots. You get crazy amount of stuff. I'm gonna close it for now because I've added all the stuff that I needed. So if you play it. That looks incredible, bro. I mean, that's cool. And yeah. And for anyone interested, AeJuice is doing a pretty massive Black Friday sale right now. Some bundles are up to 99% off. I'll put my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment again. Only use it if you actually want something. But it does support the channel. So yeah, that's how I can buy my CGI shot, and that's how AeJuice fits into the workflow. If you want to speed things up, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.